Today is a really special day for the Inlet View community, and it doesn't go without a lot of thanks. So one, thank you to the voters for making this day possible. The rebuild of Inlet View Elementary School is really a nod towards the future of the Anchorage School District, where we're going to invest in a world-class, state-of-the-art facility for our learners. As some of you know, Inlet View is one of the oldest elementary schools in the Anchorage School District, and it's also an incredibly diverse school that serves students from across the city. It's an international baccalaureate school, and it draws people from around the city to attend the excellent education that's within our walls. So today is really a new beginning for Inlet View as we begin the construction for the new building.
I think it's very exciting to be here and see something that the community has thought about for a long time. And it has come to a decision that we do need to make an investment in downtown Anchorage. We do need to make an investment in our children. And I think that we're going to have a beautiful, functional, safe facility for our students.
3, 2, 1.
A community that invests in schools is a community that has hope. This new school building is the most tangible demonstration that we're committed to a bright future for Anchorage, for downtown, for our kids.
What you're going to have there is the new entry. It starts actually on 12th back here, goes past 13th and comes out in that general area. That will be the end of the new building, and behind that will be the new kindergarten playground. What we got to do is we're building a whole new site. So the interesting part is we haven't had a brand new building since Clark, I believe, was the last building that we had brand new. And this building was built in the, I believe, 50s. It is the oldest building without a major renovation. So the interesting thing about this project is that it's a brand new building, and the reason why it's a brand new building is because the old building built in the 50s is the oldest building in the district that has not had a major renovation.
So I've been advocating for this school for many years, and my son may get a semester in the school and he may not, and that's okay, because I live in the neighborhood and I believe in the future for all of Anchorage's kids. My kids have gone to 4 different elementary schools due to a variety of circumstances. The Inlet View community is vibrant, and I cannot wait to see how it will continue to grow in the new building.
So I'm really grateful to the school board who stood with the Anchorage Assembly and who stood with our friends in the legislature, funded this project and got it going. So very grateful to you. And to everyone else, congratulations.
I just want to thank the elected officials who worked so hard to make this happen. There was a lot of advocacy by them, a lot of advocacy by parents and teachers, a lot of people who didn't believe this day would come, but it's finally here. So very happy.